to the shake. We went to the lake. We went to the lake where it's all the swimming ducks are at.
So Maya, what are you having for breakfast?
I have water, sandwich,
Toast.
toast, oatmeal, circles,
Oh yeah, there's circles there too.
Watermelon, a shoe leaves, and a hairball, and a bunny,
Yeah, there's a bunny.
and a nose, and a burger, and a sandwich.
What are you gonna do today at school?
Paint.
Paint. What else?
I do show you. Let's take a picture.
What is today?
What day?
What is it? What's today?
What's the day?
Friday.
Friday.
Yeah. Say happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Everybody have a good day.
Everybody have a good day.